Successful business leaders want to create three things. 1. Great employee experience. 2. Great products and services. And 3. Great numbers. Research suggests that one of these will generate the other two. Vital is a corporate personal development program, developed to help organizations and their most valuable assets, their employees. We can help them to become happier and more effective, both in their personal and professional lives. Devised around years of academic study, continual research, hundreds of books read, and most importantly, real-world case studies, the Vital program works with groups and individuals to help them assess their current and potential best practice for becoming the best version of themselves. Unlike some workshops, Vital is not simply a sugar high, short-term solution. It looks to work with organisations to initiate ongoing behavioural change. Our team comprises of time-served corporate consultants, personal trainers, professional athletes, psychologists, nutritionists, and a medical doctor. The workshops drill down into the details of three core components: energy management, fuel, and exercise. Participants will be taken through a peak state profile to assess whether their current activity is congruent with their best selves. The workshop and progression is supported by follow-up workshops and drop-in sessions to ensure accountability and progression.